Have you ever wondered why some days you feel unstoppable while others leave you struggling to get through your to-do list? What if I told you the answer could be sitting right on your plate? Today, we're uncovering how the food choices you make can dramatically transform your daily energy levels and productivity. From morning fuel to afternoon pick-me UPS, we'll explore the fascinating connection between what you eat and how you perform throughout the day. Stay until the end to discover simple swaps that could revolutionize your energy levels. But first, hit that subscribe button, because understanding your body's energy needs starts here. The morning sun peeked through the blinds as Sarah prepared for another busy day ahead. Like many of us, she'd often wake up feeling groggy, reaching for that first cup of coffee to kickstart her system. What she didn't realize was that her breakfast choices were setting the tone for her entire day's energy landscape. When she opted for a sugary pastry or skipped breakfast altogether, she'd find herself crashing by mid-morning, desperately searching for another caffeine boost. However, on days when she chose complex carbohydrates like whole grain toast paired with protein-rich eggs or Greek yogurt with berries, something remarkable happened. Her energy remained steady, her focus sharp, and her mood noticeably brighter. Our bodies operate much like sophisticated machines, requiring the right type of fuel to function optimally. Simple carbohydrates might provide a quick burst of energy, but they're quickly burned through, leaving us feeling depleted soon after. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, break down more slowly, providing a sustained release of energy that keeps blood sugar levels stable. This stability is crucial not only for physical endurance but also for maintaining mental clarity throughout the day. Protein plays its part too, helping to build neurotransmitters that regulate our mood and cognitive functions. When combined with healthy fats, these macronutrients create a powerful synergy that supports both immediate and long-term energy needs. Consider the impact of hydration on energy levels, often overlooked yet incredibly significant. Many people mistake thirst for hunger, reaching for snacks instead of water, which can lead to unnecessary calorie consumption and still leave them feeling fatigued. Proper hydration actually helps convert food into usable energy more efficiently while supporting every cellular process in the body. Even mild dehydration can result in decreased concentration, increased perception of task difficulty, and reduced motivation, factors that can significantly impact workplace performance and personal productivity. As lunchtime approaches, our energy requirements shift. The midday meal presents an opportunity to recharge and prepare for the afternoon's challenges. Yet so many fall into the trap of convenience foods, processed sandwiches, greasy takeout, or vending machine snacks. These choices might seem satisfying initially, but they often lead to the dreaded food coma, where energy plummets and motivation vanishes. Instead, incorporating a balance of lean proteins, fiber-rich vegetables, and complex carbohydrates can create a nutritional powerhouse that sustains energy levels well into the evening hours. The timing of meals proves equally important. Skipping meals or waiting too long between eating episodes can cause blood sugar levels to drop dramatically, leading to irritability, difficulty concentrating, and overwhelming fatigue. Our bodies respond to this stress by releasing hormones like cortisol, which can further disrupt energy regulation and contribute to cravings for unhealthy foods later in the day. Establishing regular eating patterns helps maintain metabolic stability, making it easier to resist temptation and stay focused on nutrient-dense choices. Snacks play a crucial role in maintaining energy flow throughout the day. Rather than viewing them as indulgences, they should be seen as strategic opportunities to refuel. Nuts and seeds offer healthy fats and protein. Fruits provide natural sugars alongside vitamins and minerals, while vegetable sticks with hummus deliver fiber and plant-based protein. These combinations prevent energy crashes while supporting overall health. The key lies in preparation. Having these options readily available makes it far easier to make choices that support sustained vitality rather than quick fixes that ultimately drain us. As evening approaches, our nutritional needs evolve once more. Dinner becomes not just a meal to satisfy current hunger, but a foundation for tomorrow's energy reserves. The choices made during this final meal can significantly impact sleep quality, recovery processes, and even morning alertness. Foods rich in tryptophan, magnesium, and certain B vitamins help promote restorative sleep while supporting muscle repair and hormonal balance overnight. Yet many people sabotage their next day's potential by consuming heavy, processed meals late at night that disrupt digestion and interfere with sleep cycles. Understanding how different nutrients affect our circadian rhythms reveals another layer of complexity in energy management. Certain foods can influence melatonin production, body temperature regulation, and even stress response, all factors that contribute to how energized we feel upon waking. For instance, consuming high glycemic foods close to bedtime might initially make you feel sleepy, but can lead to nighttime awakenings and poor quality rest. Conversely, a balanced evening meal featuring lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats sets the stage for optimal overnight recovery and morning readiness. The cumulative effect of daily food choices creates either a virtuous cycle of sustained energy or a pattern of constant depletion and recovery. When we consistently choose nutrient-dense foods at appropriate intervals, we train our bodies to utilize energy more efficiently. This efficiency translates into improved physical performance, enhanced cognitive function, and better emotional resilience. Over time, these benefits compound, leading to not just better days, but fundamentally transformed weeks, months, and years. Remember, every bite is an investment in your future self. Choose wisely and watch your energy potential soar. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into optimizing your daily performance through smart lifestyle choices.